In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero, an essential skill for maintaining accurate financial records. Whether you're managing a bustling small business or simply tidying up your accounts, clearing out unnecessary bills can be a critical part of your bookkeeping routine. Let's walk through the process together with a focus on clarity to ensure you feel confident in handling this task. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Purchases section within your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, steer your attention towards the Bills to Pay section. This is your central hub for managing all the financial obligations your business has. It's where you can track, update, and, importantly, delete bills if needed. You'll see tabs labeled Draft and Awaiting Approval. These tabs organize your bills based on their current status, which will help you easily locate the bills you're considering deleting. For those moments when you need to remove a single bill from your records, the process is straightforward. First, click on either the Draft or Awaiting Approval tab, depending on where your bill is listed. Once you find the bill you intend to delete, click to open it. This action will bring up the detailed view of the bill, providing all the pertinent information at a glance. Look towards the top of your screen for the Options button, which might appear as a menu icon with 3 dots, depending on your version of Xero. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various actions you can take, including the option to delete. Clicking Delete will lead to a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to ensure nothing gets removed accidentally. Once you've confirmed, the bill is successfully deleted. In instances where you need to delete multiple bills at once, Xero has made this process both time-efficient and user-friendly. Again, you'll begin by revisiting your Draft or Awaiting Approval tabs. Here, you'll see a list of bills, each with a checkbox next to it. Simply check the boxes of the bills you aim to delete. After selecting all the bills you intend to remove, look towards the top of your bill list for the Delete button. Selecting this will again lead you to a confirmation prompt, reinforcing that the bills selected are the ones you wish to eliminate. Confirm your selection, and Xero will swiftly remove these bills from your system. By following these simple steps, you can keep your ledger clean and organized, ensuring that only relevant transactions remain within your financial records. Remember, managing your bills accurately not only helps in achieving regulatory compliance, but also supports better financial decision-making. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your Xero experience.